Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where Windows apps or programs open and close immediately on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So before anything else, search for the app and then go to app settings. I'm just picking a sample app, terminate it, repair it just in case it has broken files or something, and reset it. So this is one case that we are fixing the app. But what if it's not with the app? What if it's with the graphics card drivers? So search for device manager, open device manager, expand the list for display adapters, right click and update the drivers. And the last solution is obviously an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator, type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.